Today I would like us to go through subdivision again. We have various occurrences where you will find that the parcel of land is not very regular. Like this parcel of land is 39 meters by 68 by 63 by 90. And let us subdivide this parcel of land into 3 equal portions. So the first thing you need to do is to measure the acreage. You use the hatch tool to measure the acreage. So and then you right click, you select and right click and go to the properties. Then the area is 3812.73 meters squared. Click the far right corner and the calculator icon will pop up. So divide these, divide by 3. So you will need each of the parcel to be 1270 meters squared, 0.91 meters squared each. So do away with the calculator and delete, hit the delete button. And now you need to decide the first. This is fixed. The 4 corners are fixed. So these 4 corners are fixed. This one and that one and that one and that one. So those are fixed. You cannot change them. So what you need to do, you need to subdivide these by 3. Most probably, the client will require that each of the parcel to share, to have an equal share at the front, at the front, at the frontage. So subdivide this by 3. So let's go to our calculator again. So if you have a calculator, so 90.99 divided by 3, of course it will be 30.33. So 30.33 each. So the first one, so draw a circle with the radius 30.33. Then hit enter. Again, do 30.33 again. 30.33, then hit enter. So those are 3 equal circles. So now that you have 3 equal, so this 30.33, and the remainder will be 30.33. So make a small line. So use the line tool. So line, create a small line here and another line there, then another. No, you need 2 lines. So do away with the circles, delete the line. So this is the first line, this is the second, and this will be the third. So you notice that this, as you go this way, these become bigger. So it means it therefore means that this will be bigger on this side, and this will be smaller as you continue. So let us select our starting point. So now this first corner is fixed, and the second corner is fixed for the first parcel, and also this will be fixed. Okay, so you will need to select a random point. So let us start with this point, and let us do the area again. So hatch, let's go to our properties and go to the area. So we are supposed to have 1270, but we have 1048. So 1048 minus, we need to add this area, 1270 points. Is it 91? I think so. You can just scroll. Yeah, it's 91. 91 equals to 222 or 221.95. Let us do away with the calculator. Let's first of all measure the distance. So measure this distance, because you want to move this line. So measure that distance. Let's go back to our calculator. So 221, so just type it here, 221.95 divided by 46.81 equals to 4.74 meters. So you need to offset this line. You need to go to offset it by 4.74. But you need to remember that this point is fixed. That means you will need to offset this point 4.74 multiplied by 2. So you multiply by 2 equals to 948. 948. So copy. Let's draw a circle with that radius. So select. So at this command area, specify the radius. So shift or you control V for. Oh, sorry, we didn't copy properly. Let's go back to our calculator. It's 9.48. So copy. You can copy everything. So we draw a circle with the radius 9.48. 9.48. Enter. So you need to shift this line from this point. You need to shift it to this point. So do away with the circle and do away with this distance because it has automatically changed. So go to hatch again, do the area. You will need to do it manually. 1270. So we are almost there. So you will need to add you need to add another like 2 meters squared. You're supposed to have 1270.91. Yeah, you need to add another 2.81 for the area to be proper, to be correct. 1270 meters squared. So let us again 281, 2.81. So you can see the moment you move this line, the dimension changes automatically. So let us go to our calculator again. So 281, 2.81 divided by 46, 46.28 equals to that multiplied by 2 equals to, yes, that, copy that. So let's go to our circle tool and you can just Control V and enter. So zoom in and move this. You will notice that this 46.28, the moment you move, it will maybe increase in, then delete the circle. Yeah, it has increased. So you notice that the dimension has increased by 0.01 meters. So let us now do the area again. Hatch, enter, then click again, properties, 1270. So we are good. So let us do the other one. So we can continue with the other one. So this point is fixed, so you don't change it. So you just select a random point and make sure when you are moving this line, the snapping mode should be on, but the other mode should be off. So let us select just a random point. Then we can trim. Then let us go to hatch. Click inside the parcel of land. Then right click from your mouse. Then enter. Then left click to select then go to right click to go to, and go to properties. Then you are supposed to have 12, it was supposed to be 1270. Now you have you are supposed to have 1270.91. You can see it here. So these minus 1270.91, then enter. You need to the area is need to be reduced by 33.19 meters squared. So close, then delete. Measure the length of that line again. So this is how you do it manually. So 53.50. So go back to your calculator, type calculator again. Go to 33. Oh, you are supposed to have 33.19 divided by 53.50 equals to that. Then multiply by 2 equals to 12. Copy that. Then go to select the circle tool. Select the circle tool. Then select the radius. So the first one will be the radius. You can see the first one is radius or diameter. So the first choice is the radius. So always use the radius. So Control V for paste, then enter. Then move this line from this point to that point. So then escape, then delete the circle. Let us measure the area. 1271. So now we need to reduce it by around, I don't know, 1 meter square. So this looks good. We cannot continue from that point because we have a lot of things to do. So now you can just for general boundary surveys, this the calculation is okay. So aligned. So measure the dimensions. Measure all the dimensions. So since this is 1270, 1271, automatically this will be around 1270 or 1269.9 something. So you can just go straight to, but you can adjust to a millimeter or centimeter level accuracy. So it's up to you. So we have 0.127 hectares. Okay, you can increase there, then this will be A, then enter. So parcel A is that, then copy. Go to basic tools, copy, then rename. So that's how you do that's how you, and you have, sometimes you are supposed, sometimes the client, oh, this wrong, this is supposed to be 30.33. So delete. So that's how you do the subdivision of irregular parcel of land. So those are the new boundaries. So then save.